Hello Woodwards, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create ticket from the website site. So let's see about that. You can see here a module Dev Helpdesk website request. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to website and see here this menu for create ticket. Now add your ticket name like a dull screen, mobile, set here email, add subject, add priority, so urgent, add here phone number, ticket type is the request, and if you want to attach any document, so easily choose file. Now add here description about ticket, turn screen, and now submit this request. So see here, now your ticket is successfully created. Display here ticket number, and this message is a thank you. Now go to Helpdesk, go to tickets, and see here this ticket number 13 is also display here. Dull screen mobile. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.